Do we celebrate Christmas, 圣诞节 in China? Christmas is clearly not a Chinese tradition, but we like Western traditions, so we have started doing them more and more. Here's what we do. We eat out, 下馆子. Then we will go to a Christmas market, 圣诞集市, where we meet Santa, 圣诞老人, because he doesn't have our home address, so this is the only place where we get to see him. Moon wine, 日红酒, has become more and more popular recently, so we like to drink some of that too. We don't have a Christmas tree at home unless we are trying to impress our foreign friends. And as for gifts, in the old days we would always give out apples to each other. It's because we call this night 平安夜, safe and silent night. So, if you want to be on top, come prepared with a bunch of apples for Christmas and some mood wine, and you are good. By the way, no gift giving is needed. But, if you have a girlfriend, you definitely should get her something. Merry Christmas, 圣诞快乐!